Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of Linux. In today's video, we'll be diving into the powerful crunch command and how you can leverage its capabilities to enhance your Linux experience. So, grab your keyboards and let's get started. The basic syntax of the crunch command is quite simple. It allows you to generate custom word lists based on specific criteria, such as length, character set, and even patterns. Let's explore a few examples to illustrate its functionality. Say you want to create a word list containing all possible combinations of lowercase letters between 5 and 5 characters long. You can achieve this by running the following command. What if you need a word list that includes numbers and symbols as well? No problem. Crunch allows you to specify multiple character sets. Let's generate a word list with alphanumeric characters, uppercase, letters, and symbols that wraps up our exploration of the crunch command in Linux. We hope you found this guide informative and inspiring. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Linux tutorials and tips.